Hi, once again, welcome to another tutorial in 2025. Happy New Year to everyone. So, I have just decided to do this video to teach you about some of the new things which I have just learned in the year 2024 about Holyrics. So, let's go direct to the video. So, this is the version of Holyrics I am using here. As you can see, this is the version. It is Holyrics is free version 2.2.2.1 time x64. It is the new version of Holyrics I've been using. So when you come here, this is the panel I want to show you today. It is in raw form. You can see there are two ticks. One tick saying the display ahead, another one saying display on the screen. So it is like this. How to use this thing, I've just learned it recently. So how do you use it? First of all, let me say that when they have finished to display scriptures, when they have displayed various scriptures, when they have displayed various scriptures, and maybe you want to show people that you want to show some of the announcements, you can use this feature here. How do you use it? First of all, allow me to first wrap all this. So for example, you can come here to Bible, then you search for any scripture. Let me say for that 1 Corinthians 2:2, and then after this, what I can do is like this. I can copy, and after copying it, I can come here to my panel. It also appears here in the Bible. I'd say Control V, which is Control Paste. Let me just remove this version thing. Let me look for another scripture. Let me say that John 3:16. Let me say that is another scripture they displayed. You can also do what? Copy it. Then when you come to this panel here, or you can go back to where your songs are. The same panel. I say Control V. Let me remove this international Bible thing. So when I said like this, then you have some settings here to deal with. First of all, that is how your scriptures have been copied. Let me do that save, and after saving it, I may come here and I say that some settings. So this is how the words are going to appear on the screen. They'll be moving like this in the speed and everything. You can set it to bold or for it to stay not bold. And how will be the background color? Should it be green like this? If it is green, then it is okay with you. And what should be its color? You can say that maybe let me set it to be purple if you want to be different from me, anything like that. And here is when you add the speed as to which these words are moving. Let me try to reduce the speed and you'll see. It will be moving in a very funny way. But when I say that 30, it will be moving in a smooth way. I prefer 30. And then the velocity here is when you change the velocity, you can increase. You can see when you increase the velocity, the words will be moving speedy. And when you reduce the velocity, the words will be moving slowly. So it's according to you what you want and what you can display. So when it comes to live streaming, I'm not so much confident and so much into this, but in future they are planning to make some videos about how to use this feature here in live streaming. But if you have discovered something new, I would like you to maybe comment and talk about it maybe when you watch this video. So this is, you can also change here the font, how you want the words to appear. But I like so much this Arial black, I don't know why. Then you say okay, so you have to tick here, yes, and then you tick here. You can see that this all the whole of this is appearing green, so that when you display, for example, this is how you display a song, isn't it? Yeah. For example, when I come here to announcements, I say uh, happy. Let me first happy new. Yeah, so when I tap show, you can see that it is showing Happy New Year, and my words down here are also moving. You see, let me try to display a song and I sing. So I have some technical problem, but try another song. It will take some time just because I'm using my screen to record, so that's why it is taking some time. It seems like, I don't know. So it has displayed God is not dead, he is alive, what, but these words should be moving. I don't know why they are not, but when you display on the screen, I know that yours will be moving. So that is one of the features I have found to be great in my year 2024 in this version. Another thing, when it comes to Bibles here, for example, one of that is escape. So for example, if they show these scriptures here, yes, where and you want to they show these scriptures here in the Bible, and you want to also show them after the service, you can do like this. Come here to this feature here. So this will enable you to add some scriptures to the what, to the, this will enable you to add some scriptures. This will enable you to add some scriptures to the it is called, how do you call it? It's called a playlist. So I'm going to add in some new features. Some of the scriptures they display it. For example, if you display John 3:16, I come here to John, I say 3, I say 3, then I move 16, I double click to add it there, or you can just use this arrow form to add it there. Then they display Genesis. You can search here for Genesis. Then it was 1. When it comes to verse 5, you can add like this, and you can add other many scriptures as you want. Let me say this in Exodus 8:5. You can double click on it to add it there, and here you can change the background. How do you want your background to be like? I've chosen that one. And then how do you want it to change automatically? How many minutes, seconds? You can use seconds. They can be like 12, 13. They are enabled. They are good enough for the people to do what, to read all the verse, and then you can set it to repeat. Then after it had displayed all these, it will repeat by itself. Then you say show, so it shows the first scripture. After 13 seconds, it will show another scripture. So you can leave that as you wait for the next service. You can leave that in display. So the other scripture, Genesis, has also displayed. And then another scripture, third scripture, after 13 seconds. So that's all I had for today, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Please subscribe, so you see in another video.